The fentanyl crisis has been devastating for so many people who've lost loved ones due to drugs. The loss was so hard on Marlboro High School student Libby Paquette. She worked to bring about new legislation designed to save lives. She helped get a California law passed that will make it legal for minors to carry Narcan and fentanyl strips at school.
Can you imagine the agony that her family felt when they learned that Melanie had died from an accidental fentanyl overdose?
The fatal fentanyl poisoning of 15-year-old Melanie Ramos at Helen Bernstein High School 2 years ago was a pivotal moment for Libby Paquette. 17-year-old Libby didn't know Melanie, but Bernstein High is just a mile from Libby's own school, and it's where Libby spent several years playing sports. She says the loss felt too close to home.
Narcan is a life-saving medication that is now available over the counter, but it needs to be in the hands of all California students.
It's why this summer Libby found herself addressing the state legislature, advocating for a bill she proposed to Senator Anthony Portantino during an internship in his office.
When he presented the mock bill project, I knew exactly what I was going to do. I wanted to make sure that anybody who would ever come into any contact with even a painkiller was able to protect themselves from a potential death. So even if that included middle school.
Her personal connection, her passion for making sure that her peers were safe in school struck my staff.
When I was looking up ways to help prevent accidental fentanyl overdoses or fentanyl poisoning, because a lot of the time they don't even know that there's fentanyl in what they're taking. It could be from painkillers. The number one thing that I kept seeing was fentanyl test strips.
Libby's proposal was chosen from among 15 others. Senator Portantino authoring the bill SB 997, allowing middle and high school students to carry fentanyl strips and Narcan at school, instead of rushing to a school administrator for Narcan when it might be too late.
It says a school district cannot prohibit a student from carrying the test strips and Narcan on their person. So when they leave home, they can have it in their purse, in their pocket, and it's readily available for one peer to help another peer.
According to the California Public Health Department, last year there were 147 fentanyl-related deaths in California among 15 to 19-year-olds, and another 23 deaths for people under 15. Despite the alarming numbers, there was some pushback on SB 997, concern it might promote drug use.
The answer, it's not. It's a safety proposal. It's arming young people to look out for each other.
This bill is about saving lives and fostering a culture of awareness and safety.
Governor Gavin Newsom signed the bill in September after bipartisan support in the legislature, and the law takes effect this January. Meantime, Libby's research continues. Her next goal, persuading the makers of Narcan and fentanyl strips to provide them to students at a discount.
That would be a good idea. This is an impressive young lady.
She sure is.
Knows how to help people and has a voice.
Yeah, and is working hard to do it.
All right, great. We wish her the best of luck.